Hello guys, welcome back. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about the two main extensions that you need for your VS Code. So first important thing is we will go over to the Visual Studio Code, and here we will go to the extensions, and the extension that you need is the Salesforce extension pack. So look for the extension pack here and get the expanded version. So right now I already have it installed. So if it is not installed, you will see a button to install it. So just install the Salesforce extension pack expanded. And another one that you will need is the Salesforce CLI. So get this one as well. So I have both of these extensions added onto my VS Code. So that is all you need from the extensions perspective. There are a lot of other extensions that you can download, but for purpose of this course, we will stick with these two extensions. I hope this tutorial is crystal clear. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.